Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing X and Y so Excel reads them correctly. Select contiguous columns with headers and delete blank rows. This prevents misalignment during calculation. Once done, highlight the range and insert a scatter chart to visualize outliers. Make sure Analysis Tool Pack is enabled via add-ins. It gives regression and descriptive output. If you prefer formulas, note the ranges for X and Y now, because you will reference them directly in Linust or in the Data Analysis Regression dialog. Next, run the regression and capture the statistics you need. In the Data Analysis dialog, set the Y range and X range, check labels if you included headers, and request residuals and residual plots for diagnostics. Once Excel returns output, read the coefficients row for intercept and slopes, then review R-square for fit and p-values in the ANOVA section for significance. Make sure to inspect residuals and standardized residuals to detect heteroscedasticity or nonlinearity requiring transform. Finally, convert Excel output into actionable results. Write the regression equation using the intercept and slope, and compute predicted Y values in a new column using the formula intercept plus slope asterisk X. Once done, add confidence or prediction intervals with the standard error and t-critical values, and overlay the fitted line on your scatter plot for clarity. If numbers look wrong, make sure cells are numeric, remove non-printing characters, and check correlated predictors, which inflate standard errors and distort coefficients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.